What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob from the Screen Merchants. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're doing our newest, latest, and greatest Intel build. We got all the bells and whistles. Stay tuned for our build. Let's go. Core i7 processor. This will basically be the main brains of the whole operation. Next up, we have our two 16GB sticks of RAM, which will basically do all the micro thinking, all the extra open windows that you have in the background. That's what that's for right there. After that, we have our motherboard, which basically controls the whole system. It's the MPG Z390, and it pretty much holds everything together. We have our SSD drive, the NVMe 1TB drive. Basically, that's the main storage of your whole build. We have our power supply. It's a 700 watt, and basically this is the heartbeat of our whole system. Next up, we have our MSI RGB liquid cooling. This is basically going to cool down the whole system. If it were to ever overheat, this would come in clutch. Next up, we have our GeForce RTX 2060. This is going to be the graphics card. This produces a high FPS, and to be honest with you, PS5 and the new Xbox have nothing on this. And that's it. Alright, you guys, and there we have it, yet another same-day service. This was our MSI Intel build, literally done in 4 hours. So if you guys are looking for your next gaming PC, we have it built right here. Or if you want to build your own, we can help you out. Let us know. We got you covered. Until next time.